In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Outlook for both calendar events and tasks. Whether you need a heads up before a meeting or a nudge to complete an important task, Outlook's reminder system has you covered. This tutorial will walk you through setting reminders quickly and easily, so you never miss what matters. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, let's look at how to set reminders for calendar events. Open Outlook and navigate to your calendar view. You'll see all your scheduled events displayed here. Click on an existing event that you want to set a reminder for. This will open up the event details. Once the event opens, look for the reminder drop-down menu. You'll find this just below the scheduled period of the event. Click on the drop-down arrow to see all the available reminder time options. You can choose from preset options like 5 minutes before, 50 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or even custom times, depending on how far in advance you want to be notified. Select the time that works best for you. After you've selected your preferred reminder time, click Save to finalize the reminder. Your event is now set with a reminder, and Outlook will notify you at the time you specified. Now let's move on to setting reminders for tasks. Navigate to the task section, which may also be labeled as To Do, depending on your Outlook version. You'll see your list of tasks displayed here. Find the task you want to set a reminder for, then right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the option to set or edit the reminder time. Click on it and choose when you want to be reminded about this task. You can select a specific date and time that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've configured the reminder time, click Save to finalize it. Your task now has a reminder attached, and Outlook will alert you at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set reminders in Outlook for both calendar events and tasks. This simple feature helps you stay organized and ensures you never miss important deadlines or meetings. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Outlook tutorials and productivity tips.